Meaning of durrie.
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 Durrie. Durrie is a term used mainly in Australia and New Zealand, which refers to a type of flat-woven rug or carpet. These rugs are typically made from wool or cotton, and can be found with traditional indigenous designs or contemporary patterns. Durries can be used both indoors or outdoors, and are popular for their durability and versatility. They are often used as floor coverings or picnic mats, and can also be used as decorative wall hangings. Overall, the term durrie refers to a practical and functional type of rug that is widely used in Australia and New Zealand.